Hi, my name is Momin and welcome to my YouTube channel Momin App Review. Today I will tell you how can you make HD thumbnail for your YouTube videos using your Android smartphone. Before starting this tutorial, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. To make an attractive and HD thumbnail, you need an application Pixcellab. Open Google Play Store and type Pixcellab. Install this application to your Android smartphone. I already installed it. Now open it. First of all, you need to adjust the image size. Here you will find it. Click the image size, click here and select the YouTube thumbnail. At the top left corner, click the plus button, add the text, edit the text and type here you want to add at the YouTube thumbnail. If you want to change the font, scroll here, select the fonts you want to apply. Copy it and edit the text. Paste the cut text here. Now cut this. Change the font size, color. You change the color here. Select any color from here. If you want to add any picture to the thumbnail, click the plus button at the top left corner. I want to download YouTube button in PNG. Type here in Google, search for YouTube button in PNG. Download any button. I want to download this button. Now click from gallery and here select the gallery. You can crop the picture and also you can remove background, the white background. We will remove the white background in this Pixcellab. Has scroll and find this, select OK and we remove the background, white background. Now adjust the button where you want to add this button. Here I adjust it. If you want to add Urdu text, click the plus button, add text, type here Urdu. You can also change the Urdu text font. Scroll the ribbon to the font button, click the font button, my font, and select Nurin Asadi. almost done.